Hey guys, this is Prince Dykes here of the World Financial Investment Group. Doing something a little different. I know I haven't got a chance to get in front of the camera a little bit. Well, I've had opportunities, but I'm here in South Korea at a Starbucks right now. I didn't bring my camera with me, nor do I have somebody to record for me. So, but I wanted to get in touch with you guys and get in front of the camera. I know that you guys been watching the tutorials and commenting and thumbs up and all the other good stuff. Appreciate it. You guys been subscribing, all of the good stuff. So I appreciate all that stuff. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. So I don't have a lot of time. Let's get straight into the topic. So today I'm doing this video because I know the Dow Jones. I think it crossed below. Well, I'm sure it crossed below 1700 yesterday. It is Friday. It's Friday evening here. I know it's about to be Friday morning there in the States. Well, I know people watch me from across the world, so depending on where you're at, depending if you are in, Europe or East Coast, West Coast, or whatever. But that's besides the point. So the market crash. So the first thing is I want to say, I told you so. I mean, anybody that's been following me, that's been watching anything I've said or done anything, you all saw this coming. You shouldn't be surprised by any of the things you're seeing going on in the market right now, losing 350 something points. Only thing I can look at that and say, dang man, I wish I'd have had some puts. But at the particular time I was moving around and didn't at that particular time. But I put that out and telling you guys about the stock market crash and the ways to profit from it as well. So I want to hit on something again. The market moves in four cycles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four cycles. The first cycle is at the bottom. It's a trough. Then you go into an expansion. You hit a peak. You go into a recession. And then you go back into a trough. That's four sections, right? And I have it four cycles. So I've been telling people for a while that the market, I have been feeling for a while that the market was at its peak. It's expansion/peak era, and which is not a bad thing. It's that if you look at from 2008, 2009, the market has been scorching hot, and it needs to cool off. Having the market that high with no interest rate leads into, a lot of long-term problems. I don't like wearing this big, goofy-looking thing, but I need it for the microphone because I'm in a Starbucks. I'll let you guys look around a little bit. These are the beautiful people here in Korea. Sitting back at this Starbucks. Guys kind of look over that way. Hopefully my bag don't get in the way. And so I'm using the microphone so you guys can just hear me here. It's actually a nice little beach out here. I'm going to see if you guys can see that. At the window there you can see a little beach or whatever. I don't know if you can see it. I'm recording off my laptop, so it may not be that great. It's a little upstairs area. Just letting you guys know what it was. But anyway, the thing is, we see that the market has, look like it's going for a little downturn. Yes, it's going to have this little bounce back up, but overall, everybody's anticipating what's going on with these interest rates. Are the interest rates going to be raised? And interest rate hikes going to do it? It was pretty set in stone that, hey, we're going to raise the interest rates here come September, but due to what's going on in China and around the world, the U.S. economy is like, well, I don't know if we can take another hit to. It may not be the perfect time. The thing is, I look at it as a lot of people that's in the Federal Reserve, like Greenspan, people who are in Janet Yellen's, the chairman of the Federal Reserve. What they try to do is make a perfect landing. And what I mean by make a perfect landing, when a plane is coming in, you got to kind of hit the throttle so it can just do a touch landing. So this is the ground, this is the plane coming in, and it just barely touches it, boop, and go right back up. That's what people want to do with interest rates. They don't want to hit the interest rates and watch the whole everything crash. They want to kind of do a touch landing, barely touching, the market keeps going up. That's what happened probably around about in the mid-90s when Greenspan happened. But long story short, all he did was pretty long until 2008. But anyway, until 2000, you seen the big dot-com bomb. In 2008, you seen a big crash. And you kind of notice about every 8 years, something big happens in the market. So come 2016, something big is going to happen in the market. Baby boomers are retiring, interest rates are being raised, and the market is at a peak. So, all right, Prince, we know that's all good or whatever. So, all right, now, so what now? So things that, if you've been following me, financial industry, interest rates get raised, financial industries probably do good. What else does good when the market is doing bad? Precious gold. not precious gold, but precious metals, things like gold and silver. I remember back in 2008, 2009, you seen all these big push on these commercials. Buy gold now. Gold is the thing to do. Get gold, whatever, right? And, you know, I was wondering at the time why. I traded in some gold that I had and made a profit, pretty nice profit from some old jewelry that I didn't want. But you can see now, since the market has been going up, you're seeing gold that's been kind of, you know, going down. But once the market takes a downturn, gold will be back up. So gold is another good ETF that you can get. I have a video on how to get into gold, but gold is another one that I can see. The financial industries and overseas, international markets. International is where you want to go. You see, China is kind of running back, coming back up. But then again, I told you guys that you look in the old videos, the places that look, China, Greece, and Puerto Rico, the places that are not doing so well right now. But I don't want to make this video too long. I just kind of want to touch on it, saying, hey, you know, it's not the end of the world. This happens all the time. It's just that it's always great opportunities out there. You just have to look for them. Biggest things I want to get in front of this camera and talk to you guys. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are. I'm getting kind of hungry. It's about, what, I'm a little hungry. About 6:30 p.m. in the evening over here. I'm about to go grab some of this Korean barbecue. So anyway, until the next video, you guys know what to do. Be safe. I'm out.